Good morning, students. A very warm good morning to all of you. Today we are here to understood a topic of mathematics, that is measurement. Okay. Now before starting the lesson, some warm up is given there. Just see what is given. Write the correct unit used for measuring the following. Okay. For measuring length, that is scale. When you are measuring the pencil, which measurement you are used? That is, yes, you can use as meter or yes, centimeter. Okay. Then while measuring the rope, which thing you are using, which unit you are using? That is meter. And while using measuring the road, which measurement you are using? That is kilometer. Okay. Then measuring weight, the book of weight, how you are measuring? By, yes, gram. Okay. And weight of elephant is by kilogram, and weight of apple is again by milligram, or you can say gram. Okay. Now you know measuring capacity of this much. What is this? By the, yes, what is the measurement of that? Capacity. Capacity in the glass you are measuring by milliliter, and in the bucket you are using the word liter. Okay. Now see, what about the length? Okay. Now see, my way ahead is also given there. Fabian had a long ribbon which she wanted to cut into a strip of 1 meter each. But she did not have any idea of how long a meter is. So she asked Azhar for help. Azhar opened the almirah and took out a measuring tape. Then he started to measure the total length of the ribbon with the measuring tape. Azhar told Fabian that she could not get 2 strips with the measuring tape of the ribbon of 1 meter each, as the total length of the ribbon was more than 2 meters. Fabian was happy and she thanks Azhar to his help. Okay. From this conversation, what you think? What you are thinking? Yes, that you know how to measure the length, how you measure the what is weight, how to do. Yes. Now see, what about the length? Length is the measurement of something from one end to the other. So what is the length? Length is the measurement of something from one end to the other. Some of the units that we use for the measuring length are centimeter, meter and kilometer. You have heard about that? Yes. Now measuring length. We use centimeter as a unit to measure short lengths. Okay. When you are using the centimeter, when you are measure the short length. For example, length of the pencil, a notebook, an eraser, etc. can be measured to in a centimeter using a ruler and a measuring tape. You know the measuring tape? Yes. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now, longer length like a garden or a park can be measured in meters. Much longer lengths like the distance between the 2 cities is measured in kilometer. Okay. So, while when you want to measure the distance between the 2 cities, which measurement is you are using? That is kilometer. Okay. For the smaller distance, now you have to your scale. See, in the scale, the distance is given in the centimeter. Okay. So while measuring the small things, you just use the short lengths. What you have to use? You use the centimeter. And while something greater than or lengthy than a centimeter, you can use the meter, like garden or park. And when you have to measure the distance between the 2 cities, what measurement you have to use? That is kilometer. Means here you can see 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to thousands of meter. Okay. Now conversion of units of length. Now see how we are converting the units. Converting meter into centimeter. See, convert 18 meter into centimeter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 18 meter is equal to 18 multiplied by 100 centimeter. It is equal to 1800 centimeter. Okay. Now, 40 meter 25 centimeter and convert it into the centimeter. So again you know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 40 meter is equal to 40 multiplied by 100 is 4000 centimeter plus 25 is already given in the centimeter. So it is equal to 4025 centimeter. Okay. Now converting centimeter into the meters. Just see, to convert centimeter into meters, what you have to do, you just have to divide the number by 100. Here what you have to do, you just have to multiply the number by 100. When you are identify meter into when you have to find out the meter into centimeter, and we have to converting centimeter into meter, you just have to divide it is divided by 100. Now 600 centimeter, how can you find out? Yes, 600 centimeter is equal to 600 divided by 100 meter, so it gives 6 meter. Okay. Now convert 456 centimeter into the meters and centimeter. So 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, therefore 400 centimeter is equal to 4 meter, and again 56 is given into the centimeter, so it is equal to 4 meter 56 centimeter. Okay, are you understood how to convert meter into centimeter? Just see, in my practice time 1, just conversion is given. First one, convert into centimeter. For that, meter is given and you have to convert it into the centimeter. So then 2 meter is equal to how much centimeter? Multiplied by 100, so it is equal to 200 centimeter. Then 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter. 90 meter is equal to 3,000 centimeter. Okay. Then 8 meter 50 centimeter. So 8 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So it is 800 plus 50. It is equal to 850 centimeter. Okay. Then convert the following into meter and again centimeter. So 400 centimeter, when you are converting centimeter into the meter, what you have to do? You just have to divide the number by 100. So divided by 100 means it is equal to 4 meter. Okay. Now 306 centimeter. So divided by 100 means it is equal to 3 meter and 06 centimeter. Again here divided by 100 means 1 meter and 29 centimeter. Then 888 you can write as 8 meter and 88 centimeter. Okay. Now in this way you have to do the remaining one. It is the easy one. Yes. When you have to convert centimeter into centimeter, you just multiply it by 100. And when you are converting centimeter to meter, what you have to do? You just have to divide it by 100. Okay. Now, how many more centimeters are required to make a meter? Now see, you know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Yes. So here 82 is given. So you want the 100. So what you have to do? You just have to subtract 100 minus 82. So it is equal to 18. You will give 18 centimeter. Then 100 minus 57. 100 minus 57, so it is equal to how much? 43 centimeter. Here again 100 minus 9, so it is equal to 91 centimeter. Then 100 minus 23, so it is equal to, do the subtraction, 100 minus 23 means 77. Here again you have to do 100 minus 84, okay, and here 100 minus 49, it is equal to 51, and it is equal to 626, okay, 16, it is equal to 16, okay. So are you understood, student, how to convert meter into centimeter and centimeter into the meter? Yes. Now see the second one. Next, converting kilometer into the meters. To convert kilometer into meter, we multiply it by thousands. So convert 6 kilometer into meter. What you have to do? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore, 6 kilometer is equal to 6 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 6000 meter. Okay. Now Convert 3 kilometer 463 meter into the meter. So what you have to do, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000, then 3 kilometer is equal to 3000 plus 463 is already in the meter, so add the number, you will get 3463 meter. Okay, now when converting meters into kilometers, when converting meters into kilometers, here you have to, what you have to do, you just have to divide it by 1000. Yes, you know in meter centimeter what you have to do, multiplied by 100. Then here when you are converting kilometer into the meter, just multiplied by 1000. But when you are converting meter to the kilometer, just divide it by 1000. So here 7000 meter is there, so 7000 divided by 1000, it is equal to 7 kilometer. Then 8463 meters, so divided by 1000, so 8000 meter plus 436 meters, so 8000 divided by 1000 is 8 plus 8 kilometer plus 436 meter. Okay, so are you understood? It is a very easy one. When you understood at a time, it will be easier for you. Okay, now see my practice time 2. Convert the following meters. What you have to do? 3 kilometer is given. So 3 kilometer is equal to, you have to convert it into the meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to, here 1 kilometer is equal to how much? 1000 meter. Therefore 3 kilometer is equal to 3 divided by 1000. So is equal to 3000 meter. Okay. Then see the B1. 5 kilometers, so 5 multiplied by thousands is equal to 5000 meter. Okay, now see the G1, 8 kilometer 550 meters. So what you have to do, 8 multiplied by thousands plus 550, because already it is in meter, so it is 8550 meter. Okay, in this way you have to do the remaining one. Just see the second question. Convert into kilometers and meters. Again, A is equal to how, what is 6000 meters. So you know 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Therefore 6000 divided by 1000 is equal to 6 kilometer. Here what you have to do, you just have to divide it by thousands. See the B1. 9000 meter, 9000 meters, so it is equal to 9000 divided by 1000, so it is equal to 9 kilometer. Okay, now see which one is G, or you can say E5037, E5037 meter. So 5000 divided by 1000 plus 037, so it is equal to 5, yes, 5 kilometer and 37 meter. Okay, in this way you have to solve the remaining one. I think you will understood how to convert meter into the centimeter and kilometer. Okay, now here match the following. 4214 meter is equal to how much? 4 kilometer 214 meter. 5424, 5 kilometer 424 meter. 8147 meter is equal to 8 kilometer 147 meter. Then 4 kilometer is equal to 4000 meter, and 7 kilometer 604 meter is equal to 70 meter. Okay, now kilometer is the unit used to measure. Yes, kilometer when you are using, yes, when you are using the kilometer, longer distance. Okay. Then 6 kilometers is equal to 6000 meter. To convert kilometer into the meter, we, yes, kilometer to meter, what you have to do? Divide by 1000. Okay, divide or multiply? Yes, when convert kilometer to meter means here you have to write multiply. Okay, now 2000 meter is equal to 2 kilometer. Okay, are you understood, student? Now see the next one, addition of length. Okay, now addition of length can be done in the same way as addition of the numbers. You know how to add the number? It is also the same like the addition of number. To add lengths, arrange them in a column and add. Simply you have to arrange the numbers in a column and you have to add. Okay. Now see the first one, 5 meter 62 centimeter and 4 meter 15 centimeter. So what you have to do, you just have to add, first write the whatever you are writing the first one, that is thousand, tens, hundred. Yes. Now instead of that, here you have to write meter and centimeter. So first in the column of meter, which are 5 meters, so write it here 5. Then 4 meter, write it here 4. Then 62 centimeters, so centimeter in the column of centimeter, you have to write 62 first and then 15. And do the addition. You know how to do the addition? Yes. 5 plus 2 is 7, 6 plus 1 is again 7 and 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, it is the simple one? Yes. Now subtraction is also the same. Subtraction of length is done in the same way as the subtraction of numbers. Subtract 54 kilometer 366 meter from 68 kilometer 589 meter. So here you have to write kilometer and meter. Then first is the 68 kilometer. So write here 68 kilometer 589 meter and subtract 54 kilometer 366 meter. Okay. Now see what will be the answer. You know how to subtract. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 6 is 2, 5 minus 3 is again 2, 8 minus 4 is 4 and 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. You know how to subtract. Okay. So are you understood? Addition and subtraction is the same thing as you know how to add and subtract the number. Okay. See in my practice time 3, some addition and subtractions are given. First one. Here the addition of kilometer and meter. So do 0 plus 9 is 9. 4 plus 9 is 13, right? 3 here, carry 1 here, 1 plus 2 is 3, 4, 5 and 4 plus 3 is 7. So the answer will be 7 kilometer 539 meter. Then do the second one. 7 plus 2 is 9, 1 plus 0, 1, 6 plus 3 is again 9 and 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So it is 12 kilometer 919 meter. Okay. Now you know how to add the number. It is a very simple one. Yes. Then you have to do the remaining one by following the same method. Okay. Now see the subtraction. 3 minus 3 0, 2 minus 1 1 and 5 minus 4 is again 1 and 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. Now see the second one. 6 minus 4 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1 and 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay. So in this way you have to do the subtraction of remaining one. Yes, see the question number 3. Solve the following in your notebook. So here you have to solve in the notebook. Okay. Now what is the question? 4 kilometer 412 meter. Okay. A. 4 kilometer 412 meter plus 3 kilometer 110 meter. Okay. Plus again one thing, 2 kilometer 247 meter. Okay. Now you know how to add. Instead of 1000 and 1000 you have to write kilometer and meter. So in the place of kilometer write all the kilometer, that is 4, 3 and 2, and in the meter you have to write 412, 110 and 247. Okay. Now in this way you have to add the numbers. Just see here. 2 plus 7 is 9, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. So here you have to write therefore 9 kilometer and 769 meter. It is the simple one. Yes. Okay. So instead of 1 you have 1 and 2 you have to add the 3 numbers at a time. You see the B1. 7 meter 64 centimeter. 7 meter 64 centimeter minus 2 meter 59 centimeter. Okay. So here I have to draw the column of meter and centimeter. So 7 meter 64 centimeter, 2 meter 59 centimeter. Do the subtraction. Okay, now 4 minus 9 is not possible, then cut it 4, write it as 14, and here cut it as, right, 5. 14 minus 9 is 5, 5 minus 5 is 0, and 7 minus 2 is 5. So the answer will be, yes, 5 meter and 5 centimeter. Okay, so in this way you have to do the remaining one. Here is the addition, here is the subtraction. It is the simple one, students. Yes, you can do by your own. Okay, now moving to the next point, that is weights. Okay, are you heard about the weight? What is about the weight? Yes, weight is the measurement of the heaviness of an object. Okay, so it is the dependent of size. For example, a peacock's feather is the bigger but lighter than a cricket ball. Yes, you know these two things are. Yes, this is the peacock feather, you know, peacock feather, and this is the ball. So can you imagine which one is the lighter one? Means which one is the heavy? Which one is heavy? Obviously, ball is heavy than the feather piece. So how can you calculate this one? By weighing the two things. Okay. So this is called the weight. Weight means the measurement of heaviness of an object. Okay. It is depend on the size also. For example, a peacock feather is bigger but lighter than a cricket ball. Okay. The unit used to weigh different things or objects are kilograms and grams. Okay. While measuring the distance, length, what you have to use? The units are kilometer and meter, and here the units of weight are kilogram and gram. You know, when you are going to a shop, vegetable shop or any grocery shop, they are weighing the grains with the grain or vegetable, they are weighing with the, yes, with the gram and kilogram. So you know how much is the gram, how much is the kilogram? Just see here. Okay. Now, kilogram is the unit used to weight heavier objects. Gram is used to weight lighter object. Here, 1 kilogram is equal to thousands of gram. So here you have to remember that 1 kg is equal to 1000 of g means gram. Just see some conversions are given there. Conversion of units of weights. Converting kilogram into the gram. Okay. Now convert a kilogram into the gram, you just multiply it by the 1000. Same way, for example, convert 4 kg into grams. So what you have to do, you know, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Therefore, 4 kg is equal to 4 multiplied by 1000. So it is equal to 5000 gram. Okay. Now 8 kg 352 gram into gram. So 8 kg is equal to 8 multiplied by 1000. It is equal to 8000 gram plus 352 already given in the gram. So it is equal to 8352 gram. Okay. Now converting gram into kilogram. When you are converting kilogram to the gram, what you have to do? You just have to multiply by thousands. Again, when you are converting gram to the kilogram, you just have to divide by 1000. Same thing is there also. So convert 8000 gram into kilogram. So what you know, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. Therefore 8000 divided by 1000 is equal to 8 of kg. Okay. Now 5694 gram into kilogram and gram. So 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. Therefore 5000 plus 694 gram is 5000 divided by 1000 is 5 kg and 694 gram. So what? 5694 gram is equal to 5 kg and 694 gram. Okay. It is also the easier one. You know the units of weights, that is gram and kilogram. How to convert it into? Okay. Now see my practice time 4. Convert the following into the gram. Okay. You know 2 kg. Kg into the gram is multiplied by 1000. So it is equal to 2000 of gram. Again 6 kg is equal to 6000 of gram. Again 7 kg equal to 7000 gram. Okay. Now 8 kg 500 gram means it is equal to 8500 gram, because 8 multiplied by 1000 is 8000. 8000 per 500 is equal to 8500. Okay, now 6 kg is equal to 6000 plus 250, so it is equal to 6250 gram. Okay, now convert the following into kg and gram. So just see here, 9000 gram. If 9000 is divided by 1000, it is equal to 9. If 4000 gram is divided by 1000 gram is equal to 4. Here 2451 means it is divided by 1000. 2451 gram is divided by 2000 plus 451 gram. So it is equal to 2 kg and 451 gram. Okay, now 7190 gram is equal to 7 kg and 190 of gram. Okay, in this way you have to follow the same thing for the remaining one. Yes, now see, match the following. 8045 gram is equal to 8 kg 45 gram. 3975 is equal to 3 kg 975 grams. 4 kg 300 gram is equal to 4300 gram, and 6 kg is equal to 6453 grams. Okay, so are you understood how to convert gram into kilogram? Okay, now see, addition of weights. To add weights, we arrange them in a correct column and then add them. Yes, you know how to add. As you know, meter, centimeter, the same way for the gram and kilogram. 54 kg 250 gram and 34 kg 619 gram. So you just have to write the column of kg and gram, kilogram and gram. In the place of kilogram you have to write all the kilograms, and in the place of gram you just have to write the numbers and do the simple addition. You know how to add the numbers? Yes. Okay, now subtraction of weight is also same. You just have to write in the column of kg numbers, and in the column of gram numbers, and then subtract the simple one. Okay, now my practice time 5. See here, you just have to add the number. 1 plus 0 is 1, 5 plus 3 is 8, and 2 plus 3 is 5, then 5 plus 2 is 7. So the answer will be 7 kg 581 gram. Then kg and gram. So starting from that side, 0 plus 9 is 9, 9 plus 0 is again 9, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. Then you can do by your own self. Yes, it is a simple one. Now see the subtraction. 5 minus 0 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1, and 6 minus 3 is 3, and 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, so the answer will be 3 kg 315 gram. Again, 4 minus 3 is 1, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 9 is 0, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So the answer will be 2 kg and 71 gram. Okay. Okay, now see, match the following here. 4 kg 213 gram. So you just have to do the calculation and then match the following. Okay, now 4 kg and gram is 213 gram plus 1 kg 753 gram. Okay, now add the number 6, 6, 9 and 5. So where is the number? 5 kg 960 gram. Yes, you just have to match there. For matching you just have to add the number. Okay, now see the second one. Be 9 kg 700 gram and here 5 kg 690. Okay, now do the subtraction. 0, 10 minus 9 is 1, 0, and here is 4. So 4 kg and 10 grams. So match to that one. Okay, now 5 kg 4 grams. Here you have to do the first calculation, that is 5 4 plus 4 5 0. Then add the number 4999. So it is the answer will be 9 kg 994 gram. And the remaining one is this, that is you have to match. Okay, so in this way you have to do the C. Next is the capacity. Okay, Now, capacity is the amount of liquid that a container can hold. Yes, when you are bringing a milk and when you are measure the milk, which quantity you are using? That is liter, milliliter. You can say kg? No. You are saying half liter milk, 1 liter milk, half liter curd. Yes. So, while measuring the liquid, you just use the which measurement you are using, that is liter and milliliter. Then what is the capacity? Capacity is the amount of liquid that a container can hold. Okay, so you know the units of liquid is liter and milliliter. Now, small quantities can be measured in liters and very small quantities can be measured in milliliter. So 1 liter is equal to thousands of ml. Ml can you say at milliliter. Okay. Now, conversion of units of capacity. It is also same as the length and the weight. Okay. Convert 4 liter into milliliter. When you are converting 4 liter into milliliter, you just have to, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Therefore, 4 liter is equal to 4 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 4000 milliliter. Okay. Now, 6 liter 320 milliliter. So, 6 multiplied by 1000 is 6000 ml and 320 ml. So, it is equal to 6320 ml. Okay. Now, converting milliliters into the liters. So, when converting milliliter to the liter, you just divide it by 1000. And when you are converting liter into the milliliter, you just multiply it by 1000. This difference you come to know when you are multiplying and when you have to divide. Okay. Now, 3000 ml into liter. So what you have to do, 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. Therefore 3000 ml is equal to 3000 divided by 1000. So it is equal to 3 liter. Okay. Now 3000 ml is equal to 3 liter. Then 4325 milliliter into liter. So here is the number 4000 plus 325. So divide 4000 by 1000, it is equal to 4 liter and 325 ml means milliliter. Okay. Now see the addition of capacity again. It is also the same as you know how to add the numbers. Add 43 liter 320 milliliter and 21 liter 416 milliliter. So instead of writing kilometer meter, you just have to write liter and milliliter. In place of liter, you have to write 21 and 43, which are the 43 and 21, which are the liter, and in the milliliter place, you have to write 320 and 416 and do the simple addition. Okay. Now, subtraction is also there. To subtract capacity, arrange them into the column and then subtract. Just see here, subtract 23 liter 617 milliliter from 47 liter 837 milliliter. So in the place of liter, you just have to write 47 minus 23, and in the milliliter 837 upon 837 minus 617. Okay. Then first you have to subtract the milliliter column because you just have to start from the right hand side. So 7 minus 7 0. 3 minus 1 2 and 8 minus 6 is again 2. 7 minus 3 is 4 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So when you are subtracting the number, you will get the answer. In place of liter is 24. So you just have to write 24 liter and in the milliliter column 220 ml. Okay. Are you understood, student, how to find out? Yes. Now see the next one. My practice time 6. Convert into milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000. So 7 liter is equal to 7000 ml. 9 liter is equal to 9000 ml. Then 3 liter 640 ml. Then 3 multiplied by 1000 is 3000 plus 640. It is equal to 3640 ml. Then 6 liter 660 ml is 6 multiplied by 1000 is 6000 plus 660. It is equal to 6660 of ml. Okay. Now convert into liters and milliliters. So 8000 ml is equal to divided by thousands. What you will get? 8 liter. Okay, now here again 8,000 divided by thousands plus 0.64. So it is equal to 8 liter and 64 milliliter. Then 6,000 divided by thousands plus 339 ml. So it is equal to 6 liter and 339 ml means milliliter. Yes. Now addition and subtraction is also given there. Again you have to do the addition. ml, 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 plus 3 is 8 and 1 plus 4 is 3 is 4 and here is the 9 means the answer is 9 liter and 489 milliliter. Then 0 plus 9 is 9, 1 plus 1 is 2 and 6 plus 1 is 7 and 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, so you know how to add the numbers. Now see the subtraction. 9 minus 9 is 0, 7 minus 1 is 6, 5 minus 2 is 3 and 6 minus 2 is 4. Then 8 minus 8 is 0, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So answer is 3 liter and 210 milliliter. Okay. Now match the following. 16 liter minus 8 liter. 16 minus 8 is 8. So here you have to match. 4000 ml 255 ml means 4 225 ml. 6496 ml minus 5310 ml is equal to, you just have to add the number. You just have to subtract the number, that is 6496 minus 5310. What is the answer? 6811. So the answer 1186 ml. Okay, so you have to match this and the remaining one with this. Okay, now in this way you have to solve the question addition and subtraction. Now see, some word problems are given there. Ritu brought a red ribbon of length 2 meter and 22 centimeter and a blue ribbon of length 1 meter and 57 centimeter. What is the total length? Means when the question is given, question is asked in the way of total, means you just have to add the meter and centimeter. Okay, and you will get the answer. See the second one. In a shop there are 56 kg and 340 gram of sugar in the morning. By the end of the day 13 kg and 150 gram of sugar was left. So find out the quantity of sugar sold during the day. Okay, so starting the sugar is 56 kg 340. Okay, and at the end of the day what will be remaining? 13 150. So what you have to do? You just have to subtract. You will get the answer, that is 43 190 grams of 43 kg and 190 grams of sugar is remaining. Sorry, the quantity of sugar is sold. Okay, now a milkman sold 26 liter 530 ml of milk in a morning and 31 liter 620 ml of milk in the evening. So how much milk was sold during the day? So you just have to add 26 liter and 530 ml plus 31 liter 260 ml. Do the addition, you will get the answer is 57 liter 790 milliliter of milk was sold during the day. If the word problem is there, you just have to write in a sentences. Okay, now see the first one. A cow weighed 300 kg. So here you have to write the weight of cow. The weight of cow is equal to 300 kg. Okay, and the weight of calf. So you have to write the weight of calf. Calf means the baby of cow. Okay, the weight of calf is equal to 75 kg. What is the total weight? So you have to write total weight of cow and calf is equal to 300 kg plus 75 kg. So it is equal to 375 of kg. Okay, now see the second one. Ramu had a rope that was 36 centimeter long. Okay, so you have to write the length of rope. The length of rope is equal to 36 centimeter. Okay, then his sister had a rope which has 100 centimeter long. So the length of rope for the Ramu had. Okay, so it is, you have to write here Ramu had the length of rope is equal to 36 centimeter, and his sister had a rope of length is equal to 100 centimeter. Then whose rope is longer? So what you have to do, and by how much? So you just have to find out the what you have to do, whose rope is longer. So you have to write the length of rope. The length of rope is equal to 100 centimeter minus 36 centimeter. Okay, so you just have to subtract the number 100 minus 36. So it is equal to, cut it here 0, here is the 10, cut it as 9, here is the 10, that is 4 and 6 centimeter. So you just have to write here, thus whose rope is longer one? 100 here and 36 here. So it is obvious that his sister's rope is longer. Okay, and how much it is? By 64 centimeter. Okay, now see the third one. Joy brought 2 kg 500 grams of wheat. Okay, so here I have to write Joy brought wheat is equal to how much? 2 kg and 500 gram. Then, and 1 kg 300 grams of rice, and rice is equal to how much? 1 kg and 300 of gram. Find the total weight of wheat and rice together. So here I have to write total weight of rice and wheat together. You just have to add the number, that is, here you have to write kg and here you have to write gram. 2 500 and 1 300. So it is equal to, add the number, you will get 3 800. So here you have to write, therefore, or thus you can write, thus the total weight of wheat and rice all together is how much? 3 kg and 800 gram. Okay, so students, are you understood how to add and how to subtract the number in the word problem? In the word problem, what you have to do? You just have to write the answers in the sentence. Okay, so students, I hope all the topics in the lesson number 3 measurement you will understood very well. Okay, thank you so much while attending the class. Now next we are meeting in the next class. Thank you so much.